Hi there and welcome to the Photoshop Masterclass. My name is Manny, I'm a Photoshop instructor and teaching several courses on Photoshop and retouching. This course is good for beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge in Photoshop. We start right with the essentials. In this course I'll teach you how to get into Photoshop and feel comfortable when using the software. The course starts out with Photoshop essential tools, understanding layers, blending options, we'll do selections, we'll work with masks, how to remove objects, how to add a background, how to manipulate images, how to change color, how to use the pen tool, understanding brushes, how to fix skin, retouching hair, and lastly also how to save and export your images. In general, this course will teach you many essential skills and techniques to create stunning images. Throughout this course you will find a lot of assignments and practice lessons, so you can practice your current skills as we go along. From the beginning of the course I will be providing you with exercise files, which you can download and work alongside me. Like I mentioned, the ideal student for this course is a beginner, someone who just started out with Photoshop or opened but still doesn't feel comfortable. There are no requirements necessary to enroll in this course. All I'm asking is come open-minded and ready to learn some Photoshop. So feel free to go through the course description. And I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson. Thanks.